This is a sold-out crowd, staying cool on a summer evening. This is produce picked today on its way to the market. This is a hotel's air conditioning system operating with environmentally safer refrigerants. This is Parker. This is an HVAC technician working faster, safer, and more efficiently. This is a grocery store reducing its energy consumption by up to 40%. This is a patient resting comfortably during a heat wave. This is keeping the world's food supply fresh and safe. This is refrigerant flow control, contaminant control, air filtration, braze-free fittings, and food system monitoring. This is Parker in the HVAC and refrigeration industry, enabling engineering breakthroughs that lead to a better tomorrow. This is Parker.